In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Claude AI in just a few minutes. Whether you're a busy professional using AI for research or a beginner exploring its creative potential, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. Before we begin the upload process, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the Claude AI interface. What you see here is the main chat window. In the center, you have the prompt area where you can type your questions or commands. On the left-hand side, you have your navigation panel, which includes options for creating new chats and managing projects. Understanding this layout is the first step to using the platform effectively. First, to begin uploading an image, direct your attention to the prompt bar in the center of the screen. To the very left of the bar, you will see a small plus icon. This is the attachment button, which is the key to adding external files, including images, to your conversation with Claude. The next step is to click on this plus icon. Doing so will open up a context menu with a list of different actions you can take to enhance your prompt. Now that the menu is open, let's examine the options available. The very first option you'll see is Add Files or Photos, which is exactly what we need for this tutorial. Below that, you have other powerful features such as Add to Project, which helps in organizing your work, and options to add skills and plugins to extend Claude's capabilities. For our purpose today, we are focusing on Add Files or Photos. This function allows you to upload various file types, making your interactions with the AI much more dynamic. You could upload a chart for analysis, a photo for a description, or a document for summarization. To proceed, you would simply click on this option. This action opens your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to navigate to the location of your image and select it for upload. Once selected, the image would appear directly in the prompt bar, ready for you to ask Claude a question about it. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to initiate the process of uploading an image in Claude AI. The key is the plus icon, which unlocks a variety of powerful attachment options to give your AI assistant more context. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on getting the most out of your AI tools.